In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start an LLC in Kentucky in 25. Now, if you're eager to bring your business idea to life in Kentucky, you're in the right place. And here's some exciting news. Click the link in the description or the pinned comment to visit a special page where you can initiate your LLC for just $0. Yes, you heard that right. You only need to pay the mandatory state fees with no hidden charges. Make sure to click that link so we can set your business up quickly and efficiently. Let's dive into the process, step by step. First, go to tailorbrands.com. When you're there, you'll want to select Kentucky as your LLC state. Once you've done that, click on the Get Started button. Next, enter your proposed business name in the input box provided and click Try this name to ensure that it's available for use. If your desired name is accepted, go ahead and click Next. Now, it's time to decide what your business will offer. You have options such as physical goods, services, leisure and hospitality, original content, technology and software, or other. Make your selection, then click Next or simply skip if you're uncertain for now. Up next, you'll be asked about the current stage of your business. Whether it's just an idea, you're taking the first steps, about to launch, or already in business, pick the stage that best describes your venture's current status. Proceed with Next or skip. The next question revolves around your launch timeline. Are you looking at as soon as possible in a few weeks, months, or more than 3 months down the road? Choose accordingly and proceed by clicking Next or skip if you're still pondering this. Knowing your industry specifics is crucial, so provide information on your business industry and the nature of your offerings. Then it's a simple click on Next or skip. Employment plans are next on the agenda. Do you plan to hire employees within the next year? Select Yes, No, or Not Sure and click Next. After this, tackle the question about your business's annual income goal. Whether you're aiming for less than $80,000, more than $80,000, or just not sure yet, make your choice, then hit Next. You'll need to provide the location details next, starting with your business's operating postal code. Additionally, indicate where your business will serve customers, whether online, at a brick and mortar, or on the go. Upon specifying these details, proceed by clicking Next or opting Skip. It's time to clarify plans by selecting LLC for your business type before moving forward with additional details about what you have already accomplished for your business. Tick the appropriate checkboxes or check none of the above and opt Next or Skip depending on the situation. If learning to run a successful business interests you, there's an option for joining a free 12-week coaching program. Whether you choose to join the program or press no thanks, continue onward by clicking Next. Enter your business's contact information, including first name, last name, and phone number, then move to the next step. When it comes to obtaining an EIN, decide if you'd like assistance or prefer handling it yourself. For a complimentary EIN, visit IRS.gov to use their tool for quick registration, effectively linking your EIN to open a business bank account and hire employees. After securing your EINs, return to your Tailor Brands LLC setup and click Next. Enhance professionalism with the branding toolkit. It's your choice. Select Get the Toolkit or I don't want the tools, then proceed by clicking Next. For faster processing, consider expedited filing options, choosing either a 2-day service or settling to wait for the standard 14 days. Click Next again. To maintain organization, Tailor Brands offers a formation kit. Decide if you'll order the formation kit for free shipping, or if professional appearance isn't a concern, then move forward. Real-time alerts are available to keep you updated. Continue with Get Notified or follow up yourself. At this stage, you'll notice that the Light LLC plan costs $0, while Kentucky state fees stand at $40. Options for annual compliance, 2-day expedited filing, operating agreements, an EIN, and an LLC formation kit can be enabled, with prices added accordingly. Review your total due today, then click Continue to Payment. Select your payment method, either through PayPal or credit card, and complete the transaction by clicking Pay. And just like that, your Kentucky LLC is officially underway. Remember, By clicking the link in the description or the pinned comment, you're directly placed on that $0 LLC setup page. With only state fees to account for, there's no better time than now to activate your Kentucky business.